Good morning, squad. I'm here, y'all, just to chat with y'all for a minute. Got a video with a big announcement that I'm about to do this, announce something to y'all, and I don't know. I have thought a lot about this, and this is just what I came up with. This what I decided. So I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all first, let y'all be the first ones to know. So if y'all want to know what I'm going to be telling y'all, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
All right, squad. Today is July the 21st. Today is July the 21st, 2020. As you guys know, we are right slap in the middle of a pandemic, and as y'all know, business has been kind of slow for me lately and stuff like that. So your girl started up a fitness channel. I'm gonna show you guys over here, right here, my degree. Right here, as you guys see, my degree from the University of Mississippi is in exercise science. Right there. I also got an honor roll kid, and I went to Ole Miss, so your girl got a few credentials, but that's not what this video is about. So after thinking about it and everything, and I don't even know, y'all. I don't even know how to say it, y'all. But I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and say it, y'all. So, as you guys know, I have been screen printing for, not really screen printing, but printing T-shirts for over 12 years, y'all. And so I have acquired a lot of, if that's the right word, your girl trying to use big words, but I have got a lot of equipment in my shop, as you guys know. So right here, y'all can see that's my screen printing press. It's the Vastex V1000. My shop is really junky right now, y'all. I got like all my supplies over on this side right here. My dip tank, my homemade rack over here, a homemade rack. And then y'all see over here, I got my vinyl wall, with all the vinyl that I use. Got my conveyor dryer over here, my flash dryer right there, and I have these heat presses and stuff like this, the heat presses. And as I go into my closet right here, y'all can see that I do have my exposure unit. So the thing that I'm popping on here, making this video about, the whole reason I'm making this video, y'all. And look, I'm just gonna show y'all, kind of let y'all get a tour of my shop. Right there, there's my old printer. Your girl printer right there. I still haven't got rid of it. I still got in this box right here. Still got this heat press from Hicks that they still haven't picked up. Y'all know, y'all can check out some of the prints that your girl made. This probably my most colorful print right there with the most different colors. Y'all see it's kind of a mess up in here. This space kind of cramped up, just kind of, I haven't really been opening my shop up. I've been doing, when I do the work, I've been not really letting the people in here or whatever. But as you guys know, y'all see everything I got right here. There's some supplies that I just recently got. Y'all know I had added sublimation, got into sublimation this year, and I just bought that printer right there. Just bought it. Then that's, my sublimation printer. Then you guys know I do buttons right here. All my button making equipment. Mug press right there, mug press. And y'all know what your girl been doing. Y'all know what your girl has been up to. And so this video right here, I'm just letting you guys know that that I will be selling my equipment. So there it is, selling my equipment. Let me see, sound like somebody was outside, sorry about that. So basically your girl selling the equipment, you know, just trying to see what's next for me. From, you know, the next thing I'm gonna do, the next venture I'm gonna get into right here, Vastex V1000 screen printing press. Got the got the starting line press, got the, I can't even think, y'all, the flash dryer like I just showed y'all. All of the screen printing equipment right now is what I'm getting rid of. All of the screen printing equipment. I don't know, I may be getting rid of everything, but for right now, I am just gonna be getting rid of the screen printing equipment because you know right now it's kind of slowed down, and it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I've screen printed something. I haven't. It's July. Usually July be popping off, y'all, but honestly, I haven't screen printed for this whole month, of July, and as you guys know, it's the 21st. So today what I'm going to be doing is like, cleaning up everything, making sure it's nice for the buyer, whoever the person that decides to purchase the equipment. That's what I'm going to be doing, and it's going to be a lot of room in this shop once I do that, y'all. I didn't even think about that. It's going to, like, this screen printing press and like all of this screen printing stuff right here, that takes up a good bit of space, y'all. Even in this closet, like I'll be able to, like my closet is going to be empty once I get this equipment out, y'all. And it's kind of a bittersweet thing because y'all know, in the past I have sold equipment and regretted selling it, but with this right here, I mean, it's just kind of been sitting here for this whole month. Like before this month I did use it a little bit, not as much as I should have been using it for what, this is really t-shirt season right here. Most of the things I've been doing lately has been, with the heat presses, if y'all been keeping up with me. So yeah, I did just want to let you guys know that I am selling my screen printing equipment, and yeah, it's kind of bittersweet, y'all. So I'm about to see what's the next thing I'm gonna be doing. I'll keep you guys updated. If any of y'all are local and interested, I will be listing it on Craigslist. I'm not really trying to ship it or nothing. Like this is big equipment. I'm not really trying to ship it, but if y'all could come here and pick it up or pay for shipping if it needs, because I don't really want to have to break all this stuff down and stuff like that. I'm kind of looking for somebody who can, come get things locally. So that's my thing with that. So I am going to be cleaning it up, taking some pictures, putting it on Craigslist locally here in Louisiana. It may be, Texas, somebody from Texas might be looking for, but yeah, not to just keep rambling on and on and on. Not to just keep rambling on and on and on, but, just letting you guys know what's up. Because, as you know, I try to be honest and real about everything, so the best thing for me right now is to get rid of the equipment right there, as you guys see. Let me see, try to get you a good shot. The screen printing equipment. So, if any of you guys local, close by, interested, let your girl know. But other than that, you can follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if y'all want to know what I'm going to be next. And also, I got the fitness channel. Right now, the name of it is Get Fit with Sin. I may be changing it. If I do, I'll update y'all. I don't know. But right now, I'm trying to do more, with the fitness thing, because that's more, I feel like right now that may be, a little better for what's going on right now, So yeah, just want to let you guys know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here because this video is probably already way too long, and I appreciate y'all. And hopefully your girl will catch you in another video. And I mean, that's all I got for y'all. I'll see you in another video. Print Squad out. Well, it's the end of the day. I have cleaned up pretty much my equipment as much as I'm gonna clean it up. So right there, that's cleaned up. That's kind of cleaned up, and I removed stuff off of there. I'm gonna have to clean this floor up, y'all. This floor is pretty bad. So I took all my screens off. That's everything right there. So then when I come around to this side, that's my flash dryer right there. Fast flash dryer. And that's my exposure unit. So all of this stuff is gonna be up out of here. And some of this other stuff may be added too. I have this screen rack right here, that rack over there, and all my ink and stuff right there. So that's all. I mean, that's everything, you know, everything here, screen printing related. So maybe this may be my last day seeing my equipment. I did print my last few shirts on here today on this screen printing press today. I replaced the palette tape right here, as you guys see. Tried to clean it up a little bit, but you know, they're not getting a brand new press. I'm giving a reasonable price, so you know, I didn't worry about like using my hook arms to scrub too much, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so that's everything. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to my fitness channel, Get Fit with Sin, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in another video. Print Squad out.